Greetings from EMC. Today we're going to be talking about SQL Server and extreme performance and storage efficiency offered by XtremIO. Three-part series. This is part number 3. In a typical SQL Server environment, the production environment will be replicated to a multitude of different locations. Test, dev, reporting, analytics, trending, they all get their own copies of the database. A typical 2 terabyte implementation in production may take up as much as 50 terabytes of space. With XtremIO, you'll notice here we're going to use snapshot technology and be able to provide not only capacity, but exceedingly high performance to those test and dev and analytical environments. We're going to do that using XtremIO's amazing snapshot efficiency. This is a 3-server environment implemented on VMware. It's a financial services test using Benchcraft TPCE workload. You'll notice here that we have implemented 2 12 terabyte databases and copied them onto the XtremIO system. They deduped down to 13.2 terabytes. We've taken about 18 snapshots so far of this environment. You'll notice that we're going to present another snapshot into our ESX farm here for test and development. We're going to assign this group of runs into the new test and dev server, and you'll notice here we're very quickly going through the number of steps required to assign those runs to our test server. This is normally something that you'd use PowerShell or even Viper to script out with the push of a button, the run of a script. You could have these snapshots created and presented to your test and dev servers or your reporting servers. You'll notice here now we have our databases connected to our test server, and keep in mind here we have an existing TPCE workload, actually a number of TPCE workloads running already, producing about 155,000 IOs. We're going to start now another instance now on our test server of this trading application, this financial services trading application built on TPCE. And you'll notice here we have provisioned out about 230 terabytes of storage from our 14.9 XBrick configuration. You'll notice here in our little drawing we're showing you how you can easily provision copies from your production into test and dev, into analytical applications, whatnot. The idea here is that you identify your needs and keep spinning off snapshots. Every one of those copies is going to have the same performance characteristics as your production databases. With very little forward planning at all, you can use VMware or other hypervisor technologies to spin out a multitude of SQL Server instances, hosting these snapshot copies of your production system, all allowing them to run at the same performance levels as your production systems. In this demonstration, we've shown you how you can achieve amazing performance, sub-millisecond response times, amazing storage efficiency. Expect more with EMC and XtremIO.